know how each category is rated, so students...
Gandang environment.
His house is about a 10-minute walk to the nearest train station, which is not bad at all. And as a student, Yusuke is able to purchase a Pikiken, which is a commuter pass allowing...
Personally, it feels like a little bit more than it should be. Let me show you exactly.
Hey guys, this is Jess and welcome back to Mukbang with JD. So for today guys, kakain tayo ng Shakeys. Ayaw na namin patagalin pa. Ang in-order pala namin is yung HBO nila, which is yung ano yun? Home bundle offer. Tapos ito, may kasama siyang chicken, ayan. Tapos with, ano ata to? Mojo ba tawag doon? MOJOs. Tapos may bumili kami ng, may kasama siyang parang pasta. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong pasta to. I mean, kung ano pagpipilian, pero isang pasta lang. Dalawa yung pasta nila, pero isang ano lang daw, klase lang daw. Either siguro lasagna or carbonara or ganun, spaghetti, ganun. Hindi ko alam kung spaghetti sila. Tapos may binili kaming pizza, ayan. So ayun, hindi na naman ako magsasalita, kakain na ako. And I'm really excited na. Sama pa lang po. Tayo din eh, di ba?
Like most Japanese salarymen, we also prefer
Asian
to take a
tayo?
bath at night, so we forgo the morning shower.
No! Maligo ka naman.
So you
Wala
see
daw?
a typical 40-year Japanese college student with a good
Naliligo
balance
dun
of
sa
school
gabi.
coursework, part-time jobs, and social life, which we'll all get into later in this video. So he skips breakfast in the morning, but makes time.
Ganda ang environment.
His house is about a 10-minute walk to the nearest train station, which is not bad at all. And as a student, Yusuke is able to purchase a Keiki-ken, which is a commuter pass allowing him to take unlimited rides on a specified route between his home and school.
Wow! Katono nila yung
He says
Korean.
that the university has a ryo, which in English means dorm. Only a limited number of students can stay there, so many students not living with their parents at a commutable distance will live
Nalaro ko yan.
on campus. This is Yusuke's school, Keio University for campuses. Shonan Umi South Campus, where Yusuke attends, is one of 10 plus campuses spread throughout the greater Tokyo area. A student's study focus will dictate which campus he or she attends, and since Yusuke is the in his fourth and last year at university, he can probably take an easier schedule as his future job once he graduates has already been decided. In fact, it's typical for Japanese university students to start their formal job after a fourth year. Most will have guaranteed their future job. Well, just as long as they graduate in March.
Ganyan yung sa amin.
Naghanap siya ng trabaho.
Now he's going to his first class of the day. Presentations, group projects, and one final exam at the end of the semester. But one interesting aspect of the Japanese
Maligaya sa atin
university grading system is that many teachers don't let students know how each category is weighted, so students can't calculate what they need to score in the final exam to earn a specific mark for the class. Yusuke, is it common to skip class in Japan? He says that some classes allow for 3 absences, which many students use, but departments like medical school, which have strict mandatory class, make it difficult to skip. Yay, lunchtime! So he's meeting up with his friend at the coffee shop, also known English as the school cafeteria. Damn, they left their belongings, all students. In many Japanese cafeterias, you order a main dish and pick up a small dish and then pay the total amount at the end. It's pretty amazing how nutritionally balanced the well thought out these meals are on campus. Oh, so it looks like the tea is free here too.
Girlfriend niya. Ganda babae.
Girlfriend niya? Parang lang.
Yusuke is just having lunch with his friend right now. It's a Lechon. Yusuke got the katsu curry with vegetables on the
Sarap.
side. Not bad. So how did you two become friends? You two always live here? Alright, so where do you go then?
Eleven.
Sila na magbukas.
Totoo. Hindi, anuhan lang, babanlawan lang.
Nice. Nice, no?
At the campus store, we can buy Shakeys. Oh wow, that's Reiji's manga. You buy textbooks here? While many first, second, and third year university students have 15 to 23 course hours per week, seniors have much less, like Yusuke who has only 9 course hours per week. So he takes advantage of his extra free time to train in karate, and even has created an online karate training program, which he promotes in his social media channels. So today, Yusuke only has 3 hours of class, and the other 6 hours the day after tomorrow. He So, this is his last. By the way, naruto means hot pot party in Japanese. It's common winter food in Japan and hot pot. The beautiful thing about Japanese hot pot is that it's so easy to prepare. Most supermarkets offer a selection of pre-made soup flavors. Boil that in a pot and then just add whatever meats and vegetables.
Okay.
Your friends at home rather than outside. Oh, and most students these days drink CHOI, which is shochu mixed with carbonated water and usually lemon flavor. But these days, there's all sorts of flavors offered. What are you drinking?
Okay.
What's that?
Kinis na lang. Kung may pimples. Ito may pimples siya.
Hey guys, so ayun, tapos na nga yung video natin and nalobat ako, so hindi ko na tinapos yung video, kumain na lang kami. And ngayon, bago tayo mag-end ng video na to, magsha-shoutout ako. So, i-shoutout natin yung mga huling nag-comment sa video. Dagdag na rin natin si Jello kanina kasi nagko-comment siya dun sa premiere natin. So, Angelo Quizon, hi Jello B. At saka si Iyang Mukbang, si Paula Garcia, si Paula Bear. Hi Paula, hello sa inyo. And kay Mean, si Mary Ann Fortunado, si Mona Elnawawi, si Cristel Erica Sertorio, si Koy, and si Mos de ASMR, Kabadi Moko, si Jane AMZ, at yung kapatid ko, si Christian Laruan. Thank you so much guys again for watching, and again, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel namin at bago ka pa lang, click mo na yung subscribe button and click mo na rin yung notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga susunod na upload namin. Follow mo kami sa mga social accounts namin, pati sa mga, if in case you want to watch yung mga previous mukbang namin, playlist kami dun sa description box. And kung gusto naman mag-share ng something, if you want to share some food na pwede namin imukbang, you can comment it below. And that's it. Thank you so much guys again for watching, and we hope to see you on our next mukbang video. Bye!